The Fitbit Air and Amazfit Helio are both priced around $99, and both are targeting the same type of users looking for a lightweight screenless fitness tracker. So the question is, which one actually gives the better health tracking experience and overall value? Screenless fitness trackers are becoming one of the biggest wearable trends in 2026, and now Fitbit Air and Amazfit Helio are directly competing in the same category. Both focus on sleep tracking, recovery insights, health monitoring, and long battery life instead of smartwatch features. But once you start comparing their sensors, software, battery performance, comfort, and fitness experience, the differences become very clear. So in this video, we'll compare Fitbit Air and Amazfit Helio head-to-head to help you decide which one is actually worth buying. Welcome to Smartwatch Radar. Subscribe for more latest tech updates. The Fitbit Air and Amazfit Helio follow a very similar concept. Neither device has a traditional display, and both are designed for users who want passive health tracking instead of smartwatch distractions. But their overall experience feels very different once you start using them. Starting with the design, Fitbit Air focuses heavily on simplicity and comfort. It weighs around 12 grams and feels extremely lightweight on the wrist. Google designed it for continuous wear, especially during sleep and recovery tracking. The band styles also feel more lifestyle-focused, with different fabric and silicone options designed for everyday wear. The Amazfit Helio is also lightweight and comfortable, but it feels slightly more fitness-focused overall. It has a sporty fabric-style design and is built more for workouts and active fitness users. Both trackers are comfortable enough for 24/7 wear, but Fitbit Air feels more minimal and invisible on the wrist. When it comes to health tracking, both devices offer strong features for this category. Fitbit Air includes continuous heart rate tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, skin temperature tracking, stress insights, recovery tracking, and AI-powered health coaching connected with the new Google Health platform. Google is clearly focusing on making Fitbit Air a smart wellness assistant powered by AI insights and personalized recommendations. The Amazfit Helio also tracks heart rate, sleep quality, recovery, stress, activity levels, training load, and readiness scores. Amazfit uses its BioCharge system to help users understand recovery and energy levels throughout the day. But honestly, the overall experience feels more fitness-focused compared to Fitbit Air's wellness-focused approach. In terms of workout tracking, Amazfit Helio actually has the advantage. The Helio platform provides more detailed exercise metrics, training analysis, and workout insights for active users. It feels more useful for gym sessions, running, and sports tracking. Fitbit Air is more focused on passive tracking in the background. It automatically tracks activity and health data well, but it's not designed for advanced workout analysis. So if fitness performance matters more to you, Amazfit Helio feels stronger overall. Battery life is another important area. Fitbit Air delivers around 7 days of battery life depending on usage. Google also added very fast charging, where just a few minutes of charging can provide hours of use. The Amazfit Helio lasts even longer with around 10 days of battery life, which is honestly excellent for a lightweight fitness tracker. So in pure battery performance, Amazfit Helio has the advantage. Now let's talk about software experience, because this is where things become interesting. Fitbit Air uses the new Google Health ecosystem with AI-powered health insights and coaching. The app experience feels cleaner, more polished, and easier for regular users to understand. Everything is focused on wellness, sleep, recovery, and long-term health habits, instead of overwhelming users with too much fitness data. Amazfit Helio uses the Zepp app platform. It gives more detailed workout information and training data, but honestly, the interface can feel more technical and less polished compared to Google's ecosystem. For casual users, Fitbit Air will probably feel simpler and easier to use daily. Another major difference is ecosystem integration. Fitbit Air works closely with Android devices, Pixel products, and Google Health services. It's designed to become part of Google's bigger health ecosystem. Amazfit Helio works well independently and supports Android and iPhone, but its ecosystem is not as strong or connected as Google's platform. Now, the good thing is that both devices avoid one major problem: subscriptions. Unlike Whoop, both Fitbit Air and Amazfit Helio offer their core tracking experience without forcing expensive yearly membership plans. And honestly, that makes both trackers much more attractive for normal users. So, which one is actually better? If you want the cleanest experience, better ecosystem integration, AI wellness insights, lighter design, and a more lifestyle-focused tracker, then Fitbit Air is probably the better choice. But if your focus is workouts, training metrics, longer battery life, and more fitness-focused tracking, then Amazfit Helio honestly gives more value for active users. At the end, Fitbit Air feels more like a smart wellness tracker, while Amazfit Helio feels more like a lightweight fitness performance tracker. Final verdict. For most casual users, Fitbit Air will probably feel simpler, cleaner, and easier to use every day. But for fitness enthusiasts and workout-focused users, Amazfit Helio offers stronger training features and better battery life overall. So yeah, both are excellent alternatives to expensive fitness trackers, but they target different types of users. Let me know which one you would choose. Subscribe to Smartwatch Radar for more latest tech updates.